pretty good and pretty excited because it's nearly time for my Super Express train to be arriving. And that means you're just in time to come and meet my special Super Express train. Now, you may be thinking, why special? Does it fly? Does it go underwater? No, it's special because my train works just like your body and mind. Whoa, really? What's it got, arms and legs? No, we're talking about the food it needs, the fuel it needs to make it work properly. Come on, I'll show you. It's just arrived at the train that's at the station. Come with me. I'm so excited to show you my special Super Express train. But here is not the train but our engine. Now the engine is like our body and our mind. So this is the working part of the train that pulls the rest along. And for this to work properly, it needs the right balance of fuel or food, like our bodies do. So with the foods, the right balance for food, with plenty of water and some exercise to make sure it keeps moving smoothly, we've got a great train to be making. Let's move on to our red carriage. Now here is one of the carriages. And as I said before, do you remember the colour? Yes, red. Our red carriage, which is actually for protein. Our protein carriage, which builds our muscles strong and gives us strength. So it makes you strong, builds our muscles. So this will give the strength for the train, for the engine to work. And in here we would have, so your proteins would be your meat, like pork, beef, chicken, fish, tofu, egg. So those are your protein group for the red carriage. So let's move on to the next carriage. Now this is our next carriage. Have you guessed the colour? If you guessed yellow, you'd be right. It's our yellow carriage for carbohydrates. Carbohydrates, what are those? Well, that's what we need to give energy. So with the foods that will come in here for our carbohydrates to give us energy would be rice, noodles, potatoes, and bread. So those are the foods that we could eat to give ourselves energy. But again, we don't want to eat too much because it will slow us down. So, and the energy will be great for our making the train work and our bodies. Let's go to the next carriage. Welcome to the last carriage. And as you can see, yes, it's the pink carriage. Oops, no, so sorry. You're totally right if you said green. Yes, I was just saying if you were testing you. But yes, it's our green carriage. And it's for our vitamins and mineral foods. So for the foods that have the vitamins and minerals to protect our bodies from being sick, diseases, and also make sure that our body works correctly inside. And the foods that will go in our green carriage would be vegetables, fruits, pulses and legumes. Pulses and legumes? What are those? Well, your peas, your kidney beans, your pinto beans, all those. So those are what we get our vitamins and minerals from. Okay, so we've got a bit of time before our passengers come. So we'll see. Oh, no, it's actually nearly time for them to be arriving. Oh, what did I hear? Here are our special passengers. Welcome. Now, can I have the food that needs to go in our red protein carriage? Welcome tofu. Here's your ticket. Please board the train. Hello, fish. We're good to see you. Please take a ticket. Hello. Thank you. Bye-bye. Hello. Oh, chicken, I'm so sorry. We have plenty of protein. Please come back at dinner time. Bye. Now, the reason we've done that, we cannot have too much protein. And why? It's because it won't work as well. We've got enough of our fish, tofu and egg. Any more will slow us down and make us heavy, and the train won't work properly. So that's just enough protein for my train. Let's go on to our carbohydrate yellow train carriage. Can I have the foods that need to go on the yellow carriage, please? Come and get your tickets. Welcome, Rice. Here you go. Take your ticket. Please board with your carriage. Hello, potatoes. Take the carriage. Thank you. Oh, great. Please come back at dinner time. We have enough foods for our carbohydrates for this energy. Thank you, but please do come back at dinner time. Hello, Noodle. Again, please come back at dinner time. We have enough energy for our train. Thank you so much. But don't please come back at dinner time. Okay, so again, you may think, oh, there's only 2 on our yellow carriage. There's more room for more. No, we do not want any more. Again, if we overfill it, it's going to be heavy and sluggish, and it probably feel tired. The energy will work suddenly, and then it will crash, suddenly tired. So that's enough energy for our train. So lastly is our green carriage for our vitamins and minerals to make sure it works all good. Come on, food for the green carriage, please. Hello, please. Welcome aboard. Hello, tomato. Welcome aboard. Our mixed beans. Welcome aboard. Thank you. Banana. Good to see you. Hello, broccoli. Welcome back. Please go to carry. Thank you, carrots. Take a seat. Oh, watermelon. We have enough on our carriage. Please come back at dinner time. We would love to see you back at dinner time. I will have to keep a ticket especially for you. You might be wondering, why not watermelon? Well, again, we've got to be careful what vegetables and fruits we have in our meal. So if we have too much like fruit, the sugars will turn into fat. We won't be able to eat. It becomes slow, doesn't work. But as you can see, our green carriage is very full. There's a lot of our lovely, delicious fruits there and vegetables. Why would we need so much, you think? Well, we don't need a lot. We just need little bits of everything. Few peas, few tomatoes, some beans, some broccoli, some carrots. Because all of those gives us the vitamins and minerals that makes our body work and protects the train from any problems. So, guys, I think we're ready to go. Shall we see? Okay, let's see. Let's have a go. So, let's see. And let's ready for departure. Not right. Stop! There's something wrong with my Super Express train. What can be wrong? The yellow carriage, our carbohydrates, our energy is not connected to our muscle, our red carriage, our muscle and strength. So please join on. Okay, I think we are getting there. Brilliant. Okay, ready for departure? Yay! Let's go! Oh, again? Stop! Oh, stop! Stop! Oh no, I am so sorry, passengers. There's something terribly wrong. Oh, can you see what I've forgotten to do? Yes, I've forgotten to add the green carriage to the rest of the train, so it's not working properly. Oh, silly me. Let's get these sorted out. Let's shut this up. Okay, let's move along. Okay. Brilliant. Yeah, now we should see this beautiful Super Express train move. Are you ready, guys? Let's depart. we have the engine, that's like our body and our brain. Then you've got our red carriage, that's got our protein to give us muscle and strength and be strong. Then we have our yellow carriage joined on, which is our energy, our carbohydrates. Then we've got the green carriage joined onto the carbohydrates, which is our vitamins and minerals, which makes our bodies work really well. It should all be working. But it's not, there's something missing. Can you think what it be? Oh, let's look at driver. Come and see. Driver, have you had plenty of water and done your daily exercise today?
Oh, conductor, I haven't drinking any water or done any exercises today.
Well, that explains it. To get the best out of my train, like your bodies, you've got to drink plenty of water and do exercise. Let's get some water. Here we go. Please drink some water, driver.
Thank you, conductor.
Ah, brilliant. Okay.
Much better.
Excellent. Let's do some exercising.
All right.
You need to drink it all throughout the day to keep your strength up and make everything work properly. Thank you, driver.
Thank you, conductor.
Right. I think we're good to go now for sure. Let's see. Okay, everyone get ready for departure. Yes. Let's go. That was a bit of a worry then, wasn't it, when the train wouldn't work? So it just goes to show, to make sure your body and mind works properly, you need to have a proper balanced meal, eating the right foods, and on top of that, drink plenty of water and have lots of exercise. Thank you so much for visiting at my station and seeing the Super Express train. There will be a video afterwards to have a little quiz to see what you remember. Okay guys, see you soon, bye!